Hi everyone! This is a quick tutorial to explain how to use the digital planner from Blvck Paris. When you buy the digital planner, you will be able to choose between a black or white theme, which both offer a lot of different background possibilities. The digital planners are not designed for mobile phones, but they can be used via your computer or tablet. Through your computer, it's pretty easy to use. So once you receive the PDF, you just click on Preview, and then you can easily add some text to your calendar. The only thing you won't be able to do if you use it on your computer is to add pictures or the black stickers. Now let's see how it works if I use an iPad. So in order to open my digital planner, I use an app called Goodnotes, which is an interactive app where you can easily add your notes, pictures, and stickers. It costs around €8. So once I have downloaded Goodnotes, I can open the file just like that. And right now I am on edit mode, but if you don't want to be on that mode, you can just click here. The PDF is interactive, so to go from one month to another month, you can just click here on the right side, on February for example, and it will go directly to that specific month. Now to write on the digital planner, you can just click here and then choose the color for example and other characteristics. So this page is your monthly habit tracker. So let's say I want to go to the gym this month as much as possible. I'm going to write gym here, and every time I will go, I will put a cross below the day I went to the gym. Next we have this page, which is to add your top pictures of the month. So for that you can just click here and it will let you choose which pictures you want to add. If you want to, you can also add stickers to your digital planner. By clicking here, you can create a collection and add all the black stickers you received. And then you can find them all here and add them wherever you want. And that's it. So if you have some questions, please leave a comment or contact our support team. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram.